had some people ask me about my one roller curl. So basically what I do, comb my hair, and then I'll pull it up into, pull it all up. You can do this with dry hair or wet hair. Anyway, see, I've got it all pulled up. Take my one roller, and then just roll it all the way down. And do that. A lot of times I'll do that when I'm going outside to work. I don't like to wear a hat because it's too hot. And I don't like my hair down because it gets all, the wind blows it in my face and all the other bit. So a lot of times I'll do that. Now my hair's wet right now. My hair does not dry very well. So later on this evening I'm going to take it out and it'll probably still be a little bit wet. But I'll show you what it looks like when it's dry. And it'll be all curly. But anyway, that's my one roller curl. All right, Miss Jenny out. Ride safe, ride fun. Okay, so now this is what it looks like after it's been in for a while. So one roller. And lots of curl. Easy as that.